There are people of all ages, shapes and backgrounds that are creating content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok and Facebook and more, growing a following and making money at the same time. Now behind that content there might be someone just like you, managing a demanding day job, juggling family dinners, running around after their 3 kids and studying until late at night, squeezing in a moment here and there for themselves. Have you ever wondered, how on earth do they manage it? Well, let's peel back the curtain and dive into the 3 biggest truths of being a part-time content creator. The struggles, the challenges, and the untold triumphs. So what is a part-time content creator? Well, a part-time content creator is someone who crafts and shares digital content like videos, blogs or photos alongside their other commitments like their day job, the family, the studies. They passionately balance their creative pursuits with life's responsibilities, often using their spare hours to create content that builds an online following and has got that potential to earn them additional income, the ultimate side hustle. Now I'm a part-time content creator. By day I'm an IT geek. I switch things off and on again until they work. And by night I'm a blogger and YouTuber, which is why you're watching this video now. Now granted it isn't quite as cool as Batman or Spider-Man, but hey, it's a hobby. Becoming a part-time creator allows you to express yourself, meet like-minded people, build an audience, learn new skills and also make some money on the way. Sounds good, eh? Now sadly there are some downsides and this video will help you overcome them as we deep dive into the 3 biggest struggles of a part-time creator. Starting with the biggest problem of all, the one that will kill your dreams before you even begin. Now the biggest problem is they don't know what step 1 is. Now if you don't know where to start, then procrastination will kill you and your journey will never begin. Now don't overcomplicate it, just bear in mind this 3-step startup plan. It's all you need to know. First up is the platform. If you're overwhelmed with choices, then we've all been there. Whether it's TikTok's short bursts of creativity and shaking your ass, YouTube's longer narratives, or Instagram's visual storytelling, there's a platform tailored just for you. The key? Well, start where you're most comfortable and excited. It's less about the platform and more about your voice resonating on there. Personally, I would recommend YouTube. It's got long form, short form video, community and a chance for people to really connect with you. It's by far the best platform for any aspiring creator in my opinion. Next up is the niche. Now remember those moments when you think, I wish someone just talked about this, or why isn't there a video on this? Well, that's your niche calling out to you. It could be as specific as budget DIY crafts for busy parents, or as broad as vegan cooking. Find that passion, that thing people always ask your advice on, or that's something that you've always wanted to learn, and turn it into your content goldmine. Look at Miss Excel. She makes 7 figures a year talking about Excel spreadsheets on TikTok, a short form video platform that people thought was just about shaking your backside. So anything is possible. Stay tuned because coming up I'm going to reveal exactly how she does this too, so you don't want to miss that. Now it's important to just decide quickly when it comes to your niche, and surprisingly, at first, this is less important than you think. You can just create videos about anything, just to learn the process and build your skills, as few people will see them anyway, so don't get too hung up on this. Now maybe you're sat there thinking, well, I've got very little money and I can't afford to set up a business. Well, don't worry. The 3rd part of the 3-step startup plan is going to solve your budget problems quickly. So we're going to talk about the essential equipment that you need if you're on a budget. Now you don't need a Hollywood setup to start. Most content creators begin with their smartphone and natural lighting. The quality of your content isn't just about HD videos or perfect sound. It's about the authenticity and value that you bring. As you grow, then so can your equipment. Remember, even the biggest YouTubers started with just the basics in most cases. Now, if you do have some budget, then I would recommend a computer or laptop so that you can edit off your phone. It's much easier and quicker just using a laptop. A microphone that you can pick up for a few dollars, and if you don't get much light where you live, then just get some cheap lights for on your desk. So now you know what you're creating, where you're creating, and how you're creating. There's no excuse not to start. However, before you do, you need to be aware of the biggest obstacle for part-time content creators: time. The fact is, we're all given the same amount of time. It doesn't matter if you're a 6-year-old kid, a Super Bowl champion, a ridiculously tired parent, or a badger. There's still only 24 hours in a day. And yours is probably taken up with running around, keeping family, friends, bosses and teachers happy. I know mine is. So how do you run your content business whilst keeping everyone else satisfied too? Here's a quick run through of 6 of the most effective time management hacks that can turn you into the master of productivity in no time. See what I did there? Like a time pun. Batching tasks. Now, group similar tasks together. For instance, shoot multiple videos in one afternoon or write multiple blog posts in one sitting. If you've got some videos coming up this month, then create all of your thumbnails in one go. That way, whilst you're in the zone for that particular piece of creative work, you can achieve more. Set deadlines. Now, even if self-imposed deadlines can't motivate you to complete tasks in a timely manner, go out there and tell the world what you're going to do, and that fear of failure may just hold you accountable. So if you're going to produce 3 videos this month, go and tell everyone you know. Set clear goals. Now, knowing what you're working towards can help you stay on track. Break down big goals into smaller actionable steps. It'll just seem easier that way. The Pomodoro technique. Work intensely for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This can help maintain high levels of focus, but also give you regular intervals to rest, and it just doesn't seem as daunting. Content calendar. Plan your content in advance. Knowing what you'll be working on for the next few weeks or months can save a lot of decision-making time. Kill social media. Uninstall the apps off your phone that you spend far too long consuming on. Only yesterday, Facebook, out of here, because it was just stopping me from creating content. I was too busy looking at what other people are doing. Remember, everyone's workflow is unique, so it's crucial to test different techniques and find the combination that works best for your personal productivity and creative process. So what you've learned so far will transform your life of chaos into a content machine to be proud of. But there's one snag, and without solving this problem, you may fall by the wayside just like the tens of thousands of creators before you. Now, monetizing content is a goal for many creators, but far too many leave it too long. By the time that they've made that first dollar, they've had so little reward that the motivation is lost and they've already quit. If they'd only watched this video, then they could have started earning a few dollars from the early days of their channel. I'm going to explain how even beginners can take steps to generate income. Here are 5 methods tailored for those that are just starting out. Affiliate marketing. What is it? Well, you promote products or services that someone else has created, and every time someone clicks on your special referral link, you get a commission, a little bit of money for introducing that sale. Now, if you start with products that you genuinely use and love, websites like Amazon Associates or ClickBank offer vast affiliate programs that beginners can join. Each time a viewer clicks and buys, you earn a commission. It's really simple and you don't have to create your own products. Sponsored content. That's where brands pay you to promote their products or services directly in your content. Now, as a beginner, you might not have that much kind of lure and attraction. Bigger sponsorships might want a bigger audience, but local businesses or smaller online brands might be open to collaborating with budding creators. Reach out to them and be proactive, offer value and a reason why they should consider you. If it's something that you use, love and want to show the world, then reach out to them and just ask the question. Digital products or merchandise. Now, this is where you create and sell your own products, and that could be an ebook, an online course, a printable, or branded merchandise like t-shirts and mugs. So if you've got a particular skill or knowledge area, consider making this simple e-guide or online workshop. You then don't have the worry of having to generate traffic, because if you built a small course on Skillshare, for example, they take care of the audience. You don't have to worry about generating all that traffic. Did you know that Ali Abdaal was making £1 million a year just on Skillshare and the courses that he created? That's pretty epic. You could offer paid memberships or exclusive content. Now, what I mean by that is you've got platforms like Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee where creators can create exclusive content or perks to their subscribers or members who are willing to pay a monthly fee. So if you offer something unique to your paying members, that could just be like, I don't know, behind the scenes content or early access to your work or other exclusive bonuses, then people can pay a small fee to be part of that. Then there's also just utilising the monetization features of that platform. Most platforms have them. YouTube, for example, has got a partner program that pays through AdSense. So adverts that are run on your videos, you get some paid back for that. Now, these platform monetization methods do have eligibility criteria, and it can take a while to achieve them as well. So make sure that you opt in. Every bit does add up and help, and maybe use some of them other things that I described to start making a little bit of money from day one. Now remember, the key is authenticity. Only promote products, services or brands that you believe in, and always prioritise your audience's trust. Additionally, it's crucial to diversify income streams, so don't rely solely on one method of monetization. Now, mastering these 3 issues is going to set you well on your way to success, as will this video that's coming up next.